Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe contacts in ActiveCampaign. This is a useful skill when you need to manually remove specific contacts from your email or SMS lists, whether they've requested it or you're cleaning up your audience. First, open your browser and navigate to ActiveCampaign.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your ActiveCampaign dashboard where you can manage all your marketing automation and contact lists. Now look over to the left side menu of your screen. You'll see various options for managing your campaigns and contacts. Click on Contacts. This section is where all your subscriber information lives, and it's the hub for managing who receives your communications. Once you're in the Contacts section, you'll see a list of all the people in your database. Browse through and select the specific contact you want to unsubscribe. Click on their name to open their full contact profile. This profile contains all the details about their subscription status, activity history, and engagement with your campaigns. After opening the contact's profile, look for the section labeled List. This is where you can see all the email or SMS lists that this contact is currently subscribed to. It shows you exactly which communications they're receiving from you, making it easy to manage their preferences. Click on the list where you want to unsubscribe them. You'll see their current status displayed as subscribed. Click on Subscribed and a drop-down menu will appear with different status options. From this menu, select Unsubscribed. This action removes the contact from that specific list, ensuring they won't receive future communications from it. Once you've made your selection, click close to save the changes. On the right side of the screen, you'll notice a section showing recent activities. This area displays the contact's interaction history, giving you a complete view of their engagement with your campaigns even after they've been unsubscribed. And that's it. You've successfully unsubscribed a contact in ActiveCampaign. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.